We took each of the maps that we've made for our 2A history project up until now, and we printed them out and bound those into a book. We're going to go through each of those maps and make a quick video for this series. Join us for Maps of 2A.
I don't even believe this is true. Turns out to be torture sometimes when you start to do these series. I think we're at the last one. Let me go double check. Oh yeah, we're at the last one. So the way I printed these things out, it's a bunch of maps that we created for the 2A resource handbook, which never really went to print, but we had all this work done on it. So I printed out the maps with information when available, made it into this quick little booklet thing for this series of videos. I don't know, it's like 700,000 maps, and this is like 30,000 videos later. The last one. So, should I do a summary? No, I think I'm done. So this is just the circuit courts of the United States. We hear about them all the time, and I don't know what they are. I'm an adult, and I never paid attention, so here they are. Circuits 1 through 11. I don't know why I did them backwards, but whatever. I had to use a bunch of fruity colors because there's too many of them, and I don't know any other way to get the information across without colors. So, bunch of colors to indicate which states are in which circuit. A little bit of information about the circuit courts. The U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals is a federal system with 94 courts organized into 12 circuits or regions. The federal circuit brings the number of federal appellate courts to 13. So the Supreme Court of the United States hears about 100 to 150 appeals of the more than 7,000 cases it is asked to review every year. That means the decisions made by the 12 circuit courts across the country in the federal system are the last word in thousands of cases. So let me finish this. The appellate courts do not retry cases or hear new evidence. They do not hear any witnesses testify. There is no jury. Appellate courts review the procedures and the decisions in the trial court to make sure that their proceedings were fair and that the law was applied correctly. So something happens at a court, if it's appealed, it goes to the appellate court, and if it's appealed there, if they decide that something was still in dispute, it'll go to the Supreme Court. And when the Supreme Court, if the Supreme Court decides it's one of the 100 and 150 cases it's going to hear that year, it gets ruled on. So not every case is going to the Supreme Court for sure. So that tells us what they're trying to say here is that most of the cases are dealt with at the appellate court, and whatever their decision is is final, unless a lot of effort can be made to take it to the Supreme Court level. Anyway, so that helps hopefully indicate that we have regions, I guess. So there's local, state, and federal. In the court cases, we've got local, appellate, and federal. Local, appellate, and supreme. And there's just the one Supreme Court. So kind of regional and then local level. I'm not a lawyer. I might have messed that all up. But that's a whole bunch of maps. We drew all these. So let us know what you think. We'll be watching the comments wherever you find the video, over on gunstreamer.com or on guntube.org.
Thank you for supporting our projects. If you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee, check out our Patreon channel.
The guys and gals of gunwebsites.com encourages you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thank you for watching gunwebsites.com.